Did you know dolphins literally sleep with one eye open like they're winking at you underwater? This isn't just cute behavior, it's incredible brain science in action. Dolphins practice something called unihemispheric sleep, where only half their brain sleeps at a time. Picture this: while the left brain hemisphere shuts down for rest, the right hemisphere stays completely awake and alert. The awake half controls breathing and watches for predators, while the sleeping half gets much needed recovery. Every 2 to 4 hours, the hemispheres switch roles like biological shift workers. The left eye closes when the right brain sleeps, and the right eye closes when the left brain rests. This allows dolphins to sleep for 8 hours daily while never being completely unconscious or defenseless. They can surface to breathe, scan for threats, and even swim slowly while half asleep. It's the ultimate power nap system, where dolphins have mastered being awake and asleep simultaneously. Nature's most efficient multitaskers, sleeping and surviving at the same time.